Hello everyone, welcome to World of Knowledge. Today the topic is about how to make a LogLog graph in Excel software. I'll teach you about that, so let's move towards the Excel worksheet. Now this is the data that I have, and based on this data I will plot a LogLog graph. Now first of all, let's select this data. And move towards the insert section. And I will plot a XY graph. Now let's change the dimensions of this graph a little bit. I will add two titles. Okay, let's change the dimensions a little bit as well. Now let's convert this graph into a LogLog graph. Double click on this graph and double click. Move towards the y-axis, text options, axis options, and then select the logarithmic scale. After that, let's do the same with the y-axis scale, text options, axis options, and then logarithmic scale. After that, let's remove these grid lines because I want a graph that is free from grid lines. Okay, now let's highlight the border, solid line, black color. Also, the X border line should be solid black color. Also, now let's change the position of the y-axis, the labels, next axis, and then it should be lower. Now, how to remove the slide? Move towards, again select this y-axis, move towards the border section, no line. So this is a graph. This is a simple LogLog graph. Let's set the Y chart title to be Y versus X, and let this title to be Y, and the x-axis title to be X. If anyone wants a graph that is full of grid lines, we can make that as well. Like for example, towards select the grid lines. Also there are some subsection options as well, like primary, major, vertical lines. As you can see, the graph is changing now. Minor horizontal lines and primary, minor vertical lines. So a grid line LogLog graph will look like this. So this is the way to create any LogLog graph in Excel software. I hope the video was informative. If you like my video, do give me a thumbs up, and like my channel and subscribe it as well. And also do hit that bell icon so that you won't miss any updates from the channel. That's all folks. Thank you.